Introducing the RELIFE Power Tower. Every kit comes with additional spare parts. Assembly is easy with all tools provided. Keep bar holders facing inside. You can put together the power tower by yourself or with help from a friend. Remove wooden plug before you put on the back support. The height of the pull-up bar is adjustable. Set it to your preferred height. Simple twist locks keep the power tower stable. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raise, push-ups.